It's bright. It's too bright. So yeah. Why was that upside down? I don't know. So yeah, I freaked out thinking that I didn't have enough time because it takes me about an hour just to walk there. So anyway, going to play Borderlands 2 again. I've only played it 3 or 4 times because I can only play it on the weekends when I go over to Cody's house. Might go into the game trading center and see if anyone has traded theirs in because they might have gotten sick of it and gotten rid of it or something. Not quite sure. So I'll check that out and see if they have it because I'm getting tired of only being able to play it like once a week. And I really like it. The second one is way better than the first one by far, in my opinion. So now I have 2 hours to get ready. I have nothing to edit, so I don't know. I guess I'll just read some manga or something. Because I have pretty much an hour and a bit to do something before I go. I have nothing to talk about right now. I just woke up. I did not go to sleep till about 5:30 in the morning. Oh no, I just could not sleep, so I edited the vlogs and uploaded them and everything else. Sorry if I'm blinding you guys. Oh my gosh. Anyway, forgot what I was saying. No idea. Hey buddy, come here. Yeah, Buddy's doing much better tonight. This morning. That's what I was saying. This morning, I did not go to sleep until like 5:30 because I could not sleep, and you are so cute. So, to my surprise, I woke up at 7:30. Actually, that doesn't really surprise me. I can't really sleep past when the sun comes up because it's just way too bright and I wake up. I sleep under my blankets so that I can sleep in a little bit longer until it gets too... Hello. Why are you stepping on me? Oh, you are so cute. Don't know. Yeah, he just... Hello. Ew. I don't know what I was saying now. So yeah, I only got a couple hours sleep. What? Yeah. You are so cute. No idea what I was saying again, I'm sorry. So I'm going out in a bit and might see Phil if he's not busy, and don't know what's going on today, but I plan on getting some serious gaming on because I'm in a gaming mood today. His hair's fur, whatever, is not too long right now. Look at this. I can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Look at this. That's generally what he looks like when he wakes up to, lately. Plus his, whiskers. Oh. He had his head leaned on me and he was being cute. Sorry guys. But anyway, ow! Hello. What are you doing? Why are you stabbing me? Ew. Yum. What? You are so cute. So, I don't know, might need a nap later because I'm so tired. Like, I am, but I'm not. I'm, like, wide awake mentally, but I'm physically just, like, zombie. He's being cute, but he decided he wants to ignore me. Buddy. Hi. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, he's ignoring me now. What do you want? You're just too cute. Hey. Pinhead. What's wrong? He, always, ignores me if he wants something from me. Because he generally doesn't ask me. He'll ask everyone else but me. And then he'll come up to me, be sooky, and then he'll ignore me. It's like, I can't guess what you want. I don't know, I think he's just being sooky, wanting some lovins. And it's okay. I will, be out and around today because it's actually nice, and I have plans that hopefully won't mess up this time. I don't know. Everyone's having their, like, exams and stuff lately. So they're... Bedhead. Buddy! 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 What are you doing? Buddy! Buddy! Hey! Let me see the bedhead. Well, that's not too bad. You're cute. So yeah, I'll be going out and around in a bit, so I will talk to you soon. So, I'm not used to this, walking out in sunlight anymore, because, it's been really gross, as you guys know, because of the storm lately. Oh, but the sun is out, and I'm, like, blind. It's really weird. And people are staring at me. But anyway, I'm finally on my way out. Running a bit late. Yesterday, I forgot to tell you guys because there's so much going on. There was, this weird noise outside. So I looked out my front window, and there were like 50 million crows outside. Like, they were on the houses, on the telephone wires. The birds were everywhere, and like the sky was almost black with crows. Oh my god, it was crazy. And like, Rebecca and I just sat at the front window staring out at all these birds flying around. And it wasn't like seagulls and pigeons and crows, it was like just crows. And it was ridiculous because like you couldn't see anything except crows. Finally doing something because everyone was like, oh, we'll do something this day, we'll do something that day, and nothing ever happened. But I'm on my way over there to meet up with some people and hang out for a while, and since it's such a lovely day today, I think we might go to the park and look at the ducks and swans and everything. It's going to be really pretty if it doesn't get really cold out, because again, I was stupid and brought my thin jacket and I'm going to be freezing. That person just honked at me because I was talking to my camera. Anyway, yeah, so we'll see what happens. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Wow. It's so pretty. Look at all the leaves falling in the water. Wow. Oh yeah, now they stop. Wow, that's beautiful though. I like this side better. I want to see a ducky. Oh wow. Wow. Look at it on the camera, it looks so weird. What is wrong with that tree? Wow. I wonder how many bunnies live in here.
A lot.
Oh.
Oh, he's young too. So little.
Oh, where'd he go?
Wait for one to get pretty close. Oh.
I don't see him.
Yeah, he moved out now.
Oh. So cute.
Let's see, he's put away.
He's probably in a burrow. Well, I got a bit of a shot of him. He's so cute though. It's so pretty. Wow. Okay, sorry that I didn't vlog much today. I intended to. I went out to the park because it was really nice out. Sorry if you guys can't see me. We were about halfway through the park and it started raining. Well, not heavy, but it started anyway, and I didn't want to risk having my camera out. It's about 6:30-ish almost, and I'm on my way home because I cannot get a hold of some of the people that we were supposed to hang out with today because I don't know where they are. None of them are together, and some of them don't have cell phones. And I am dead tired because I only slept about an hour and a half, 2 hours this morning. So I didn't go to sleep till like 5:30. So yeah, I'm dead tired and so much to do. I have no idea. I have a splitting headache. Everything pretty much is killing my head. So I don't know what I'm gonna do tonight. Alright, so I'm freezing cold. Because that beautiful weather that we had earlier randomly decided to disappear. That's all I want to do. I want to lay in bed and do nothing. But I have that project that I have to do for my teacher by tomorrow. Anyway, I think I'm going to compromise with doing my work. I think I'm going to do about 2 or 3 hours of it, and then I'm going to bed early because I'm exhausted. Like I said, splitting headache, really tired, and lots of work to do, so I don't think I'll be vlogging anymore tonight. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Oh, I love city lights. If you have your own YouTube account, then please subscribe. I gotta go, so good night, and see you tomorrow. Bye.